Hey guys and gals, it's Adventure Link here, back again today with this Dodge Journey Pentastar V6. And today's goal was to get this air filter changed. Now optionally you can remove this guard, that engine guard here. All it is just you just snap it on, snap it off, no tools needed. You might need that if you lose tools, especially down there. Oops. Oh well. But with that being said, if you have a regular screwdriver, not this, there's 4 Phillips heads, Phillips and flathead. You can use either one. There's one here, one over here, one back here, and one in the corner. So you will go on ahead and start removing them now. Now the nice thing is that you can just loosen this all the way up. This screw will not come out at all. That's a good thing. So go on ahead and loosen the other 3 screws now. And now with all the screws loosened, let's pop open to see what it looks like. Oh, there's already a brownish mark. That's already not a good sign. You just pull the rest of this off. A little dirty in there. Could probably take a shot back to this, but check this out. So dirty, it was getting leaves and other debris in there. Got this Purolator air filter here, part number A36151. This may vary for the 4-cylinder Dodge Journeys. There are other air filters you can use, like CarQuest, K&N, Fram, blah, 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 blah. But I personally go with Purolators. Oh well, one of these days I'm going to end up taking all this out, figuring out how to get that throttle body out, and I'm going to replace this all with a cone filter, so why not? And the new air filter is now snug in its home. Just make sure you press all around it, make sure it gets nice and evenly snug, so it doesn't get caught on the air box. From there, you just line it up with the holes, and then tighten it down. Personally, I would just tighten it down like a 4-lug tire, here, 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 and over here. So yeah, this has been a video on how to replace the air filter on a Dodge Journey with a Pentastar V6 engine. This might apply to other Pentastar V6s, I don't know. Pretty easy job, really. Good maintenance, especially when you get filters like these. And this has been Adventure Lake. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to do all the things that help me make a living here on YouTube and help get my word on YouTube, which is rate, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends, family, other Dodge Journey Pentastar V6 owners, maybe other Pentastar V6 owners. Who knows? Oh well. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, praise, criticism, etc., leave in the comment section. Got any questions on Dodge Journeys? There's 3 Facebook groups: Dodge Journey Fans, Dodge Journey Nation, Dodge Journey Owners Club, or Dodge Journey Club, I forget what it was. Links will be in the video description. Don't forget the captain's bell. If you never want to miss a video from me again, remember to ring that bell! Social media and medical bill donations are in the video description. Please consider donating. It's much appreciated. Any amount helps out, and as Games from the Grave would say, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. And we're going to sign off with the wise words of wisdom from the car guy. Be safe, have fun, and stay dirty! But keep your air filters clean, please, for the love of YouTube and all that is holy. Take care. See you all next time. And until then, thanks for watching this video, other videos I have. Thanks for your support for the channel, past, present, and future. And have a good one.